Since its establishment, it has urged for better quality and innovative products.
Smart living is its mantra. The concept of smart living or the tiny house movement has emerged from the Western countries and now it has been realized in India too.
This mantra implies to smart, portable, space and time-saving furniture because small is the new big. So here we go.
In the market, we have come up with a simple yet effective multi-purpose furniture, Smart Cubes.
Hello everyone, I am Hardik Kotal, the CEO of this company. The founder of our company is Sriram Mehta, whose contribution to this company is unforgettable. Our business started when he tried to furnish his apartment with clean, simple classics he had come to appreciate while living in Mumbai. This is how we started with our journey, the Woodside Private Limited.
Smart living implies simplified living. Homes are no longer bought by the four-wall definition. As more and more people realize their dream of living a life in their own house, they become more conscious and look into the intricate art of homemaking, which will make them feel at home. Today, people are downsizing the space that they live in, focusing on simplified living. Hence emerged the concept of smart living. Also because of environmental concerns, financial concerns and seeking more time and freedom. In short, smart living encompasses of tiny house, life simplification, environmental consciousness, self-sufficiency, sound fiscal plan and social consciousness. It is this modern approach adopted mostly in metros to cater the needs of modern living. Thereby we came up with the idea to design multifunctional furniture, Smart Cubes, which is a direct approach to modern living. Now, I call upon Shreya Shah, our product designer, to talk about our product.
Smart living is a new approach adopted especially by those living in metros. So to cater the needs of this modern trend, we have come up with this multifunctional furniture, Smart Cubes, which consists of foldable boxes inspired from children's toy game Stackbox. Due to increasing population, energy costs, mortgage rates, people now prefer to go for simplified living. In fact, smart living has become a necessity. Did you ever feel short on space? Did you ever feel to get rid of clutter in your house? Or did you ever feel the need of special space for your books? Well, Woodside has a solution. Every bookshelf tells a story, but only because of the objects it displays. The look of the bookshelf, the materials, the location, all combine to give a unique feel to everyone, because every home is different and every room has its own design challenge and every owner has his own idea about what would work in any given space. That's why you can design and build your own ideal bookcase. And best of all, you really don't need a set of tools or course in carpentry to get it done. Our cubes can be put together quickly, easily, and with no tools or limits. That's the design on demand. Alongside, there's this model of bookshelf arranged with Smart Cubes. The next utility is sofa seats. A common problem in small residences is having guests around and finding somewhere for them to sit. With Woodside, the solution is easy, as the living room setup has space up to many people. Let me just explain the functioning through this model. You can take out these stack boxes and arrange it in your own way, giving an extraordinary look to your living room, just as shown in these slides. Or you can turn it upside down and put a cushion inside to make your seats more comfortable. The next utility is the shoe rack, which can be made out of these boxes. You have the storage facility too. The next utility is the coffee table. Talking about the coffee table, then yes, it has become a prominent fixture for the home in our culture. Whether the scene of social gathering or just a resting place for your flowers, a favorite book or your feet, the modern coffee table ties living and family rooms together with nothing else. Over here, we have a small model of coffee table which can be moved up and down hydraulically, make it simple to adjust to your needs at a particular time. At one moment, it's a coffee table, and at other moment, it's a study table. Finally, this product is just not about the utilities, but this is about your home decor. You can design your house independently according to occasions, moods, or guests. The product is available in different sizes with exciting facilities like extendable dinner table, storage facility, and foldable ladder. It is also available in different color themes. So, the main feature or the advantages of the products are it's foldable, portable, multifunctional, can be used as your home decor, and it's reusable too. Now, I would like to call upon Karan Parmar, our marketing director, to talk about the marketing strategies.
Describing about the marketing strategy that we have adapted to penetrate the market and to capture the attention of target market. Our company is in excellent position to capitalize every marketing opportunity which comes our way. We are able to face our competitors like Home Solutions, Furniture Bazaar, local retailers, etc. due to the competitive advantage which includes unique furniture design and quality, competitive pricing policy, strong market demand and strategic location close to suppliers, distributors and consumers. The goal of our company is to provide good quality furniture at reasonable price while still maintaining higher profit margin. We believe in catalog marketing based on which the customers can We believe in catalog marketing based on which the customers make easy decisions regarding our product. Finally, our product is priced competitively and takes into account both the price sensitivity and pricing strategy, considering our target market, which is the people of middle and upper middle class approaching smart living. Now I call Nikhil Chauhan, the marketing coordinator.
We follow the penetrating price policy, which happen to gain us the market share and benefiting a target market. Our product concentrates in helping people live in small and smart life, which have essentially both for a low budget area. Following this, we have been able to adapt the marketing conditions easily. The price of our product ranges from ₹6,000 to 8,000 according to your order. The product is available in a range of large colors. The minimum cubes available is 9 cubes to improve your home decor, but it can be more if you want. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Apurvi Mane, the sales executive of this company. Woodside, the furniture destination, is a product of endeavor to provide quality furniture at affordable prices. Not that we have wished to challenge the old adage, everything comes at a price. At Woodside, we believe that our customers know their price. We pride ourselves in offering design, quality and convenience, backed by delivery and after-sales service. This is the model of our selling strategies. First is packing, second is marketing, third is distribution, and fourth is supply chain. Packaging, the most effective tool of marketing. Soft packaging materials which protect polished surfaces and padded craft papers covers exterior of the cubes. These are our Indian retail outlets. And these are our international outlets.
afternoon, everyone. We have been following intensive marketing strategies to reach out to our potential customers, and as explained before, we have looked into the intricacies of the product to make it better than ever. And we have practiced the following methods to place a long-lasting impression in the minds of our customers. Talking of our newspaper ad, as for the magazine, we think that magazines are one of the best ways to reach out to our customers and competitors at large. We have book pages in various magazines like BBC Good Homes, Inside Outside and local furniture journals. We have a monthly edition in Inside Outside, you can watch out for that. And here you can take a look at our magazine advertisement. We also have TV ads and radio ads coming up.
Talking about our reach to the public, apart from the print ad which you just saw, we have our own advertising agency, that is Woodside Ad Agency. We have come up with a great advertisements that leave a great impression on our target customers. We have a great understanding with the Radio City 91.4 FM and Radio Mirchi 98.3 FM, where our radio ads will be played anytime between 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Here goes our radio jingle for our new product, Smart Cubes.
Hey, finally got a new home.
Yes, but got lots of work. देखो, अभी मुझे चाहिए एक कॉफी टेबल, नया डिनर टेबल और ड्राइंग रूम के लिए डिजाइनर सीट्स और मेरे लिए डेकोरेटिव बुक शेल्फ एंड आल्सो
Are you kidding me? How can you manage it all in a small budget and less space?
Why to be disappointed? Fulfill your desires with our new portable and folding furniture, Smart Cubes. Log on to www.woodside.com for exciting offers. Smart Cube, live the smart way.
tune in these two stations in the evening for listening to it. Now coming up to our television ad, our advertising agency has also come up with the following ad. Will be telecasted in various channels like Sony, UTV, Star, etc. These of our ads will be played between 11 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. Our next information about internet or the website will be given by Dhairya Nandwana.
Sit.
Give up. It's their job. Thank you.